morning, friends. My name is Mrs. Veronica. I love to make art, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very colorful dinosaur. So to do that, we are going to use many things that you might have at home already. I have some tempera paint, I have brown paper, and these are my grocery bags. I love to use this paper because it's very, very strong. We have also scissors, we have pom-poms, we have some clothespins, we have markers, some colorful sticks. Of course, I have my glue stick. And then I have paper that has different patterns. Plain paper, ribbons, some pieces of fabric that I had at home. This is newspaper or magazine, and I also have this paper that I printed myself. I love to print, so I'm going to show you what I use to do that. This is a paper towel roll that I cut so you don't need it, too long. It's easier to work with. I have also a piece of cardboard. I have some bubble wrap that is glued to a piece of cardboard, and for the back, I use your cereal box, rice box, whatever you have handy at home. I have also some rubber bands, and these dots were made with my pencil. So I'm going to show you how to do one just for you to have a better idea. I have my tempera paint here. I'm going to press, and I'm going to print on white paper or any paper you have at home. You can use any kind of paper. Let's see how it looks. I think it looks very nice. Let's make another one. These are my straws. I have one straw left, and I cut it in little pieces, and I'm going to print. You're going to see how it looks. I'm going to print twice. Okay, and I think it looks very nice. So now you have an idea of how to use the print. So I'm going to start with my brown paper. Then I'm going to use a very colorful stick for my neck. How about that? I'm going to move a little bit. And then I'm going to decorate the body. So some orange fabric, and this is felt, a piece of magazine, some shiny ribbon that I have here. 1, 2, I'm going to use only 2 pieces, some pattern paper, and maybe a piece of plain paper also. I think it looks very nice. And then I'm going to start adding paper on the top, and I'm going to choose again some of this pattern paper. I'm going to choose different patterns. I'm going to choose some of the paper that I already printed. I'm going to choose some more here. So I think it looks very nice right now. And then all the paper along the neck. I have my tail also with a pom-pom. And again, let's see if we can add some more here. 1, 2, and then I'm going to use another one for my head. So this will be my head. With my marker, I'm going to make a big eye, maybe some eyelashes, and a big smile. So you are going to end up with something like this. And this is already glued, so that is the difference. What I'm going to do right now is to cut around my shape, and it doesn't have to be perfect at all. It's just going around. Here we are. And I do have my dinosaur now, but something is missing, as you can see. We need the legs. So I have my legs right here. If you want, with your markers, I was decorating one of these. I'm going to show you. Very easy. Or you can leave your legs plain. It doesn't really matter. I was making some kind of stripes here. But again, you can leave it, you know, plain if you want to. So I'm going to have my legs. I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have our colorful dinosaur already finished. I hope you like it, and I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you, friends.